Happy Tarot Tuesday, everyone. The cards for the week to anchor into are the Eight of Cups and the Hierophant. And so the Hierophant is part of the major arcana, and it refers to a person that is a mediator between spiritual worlds and physical worlds. The shadow side of the Hierophant is someone who isolates themselves and uses their power over others, where the evolved state of the card is someone who sits with their people and uses horizontal power structures to guide people spiritually. And so this is an invitation to look at your spirituality and how you can guide others, and how you use your power. And then the Eight of Cups refers to leaving something behind, leaving on a journey, feeling kind of maybe like dark or sad or lonely about leaving, but knowing that it's necessary, that you are being called forward, and just like lean into this idea of what does like the spiritual journey look like? Who and what do I need to leave behind in order to embody myself as a spiritual person? And how can I support others in their journeys? Hope this helps for the week. Thanks. Bye.